Hi guys, it's Tamia Ja and welcome to the background. Koma chaka chino nderiona zinthu. Chaka cha zisankho 2025. Ndenkanili pano ndiya ku parliament itu. Inu muti pakana one of my honorable anafika po mangombolana kuti ng'ombu. Ndeno inakusolanga lora amangombola ndani iwo waona labuwa. Anyway, let's continue. Okay, ndeno pajano 2025 ndi nthawi ya zisankho nde akuti mulungu waulula noti kuulula mulungu watchula dzina la munthu yemwe alamulire Malawi. Ndipo mulungu anadzera mwa amayi ena ake, amayiwa ndi aneneri ndi mtumiki wa mulungu, and amayiwa anena zokuti iwowo mulungu wapatsa dzina la munthu yemwe alamulire Malawi mu chaka chino cha 2025. Ndiye let's watch the video.
So dzina limene Ambuye apereka la munthu amene alamulira dziko la Malawi, dzina limenelo ndi Dr. Daniel Duwe, munthu amene mulungu wamusankha amene anawina kale chisankho 2025. It's a new face, it's a new name. The man's name is Dr. Daniel Duwe.
Video ndi imeneyo ndithu ya amayi amenewa aonena zokuti mulungu watchula ndithu dzina la munthu yemwe ayimira president mu chaka chino cha 2025, yemwe alamulire Malawi mu 2025. Okay, ndeno apano tiyankhule nkhani za ku parliament. Ku parliament nde kuna chemeratu. Like I don't even know how to explain mu parliament mo even achimwendo banda. Anachita zoti hey, don't cross the line. Kumakhala ndi ulemu.
When we cross a red line of this nature, then we turn things worse. So if you want us to cross the red line at that level, we are ready for that game. We are ready for that game, we can cross that line.
Now Suleimani.
Section 122 of the Penal Code, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, criminalizes the act.
Ndipo ku parliament kumene kumagayezi mahonorable adakamenyanatu.
May I ask you all the honorable members who left their seats?
Ndipo adakamenyana. Yomwe ndingamemphe pano eti. Mahonorable nonse akumalawi kuno kweti. You know munthu akauri you are honorable. Ndino anthu andale. Ma MP mafuna security. De jonde. Mwina ineyo ndimapezeka ndima security dogs agalu wa security ma German Shepherd DTR pure ndimapezeka nawo. Nde mwina mukhoza kuwafuna kuti adzikagadira ku nyumba kwanu. Chonde ndipeze ndi pa nambala iyi 0999090132. Chonde mahonorable chonde. So guys, let's watch this video and tuone zomwe zinachitika ku parliament.
For allowing the people of Blantyre City Southeast to make a contribution to the SONA that was made on Friday. Madam Second Deputy Speaker, it makes me laugh to see everyone that side trying to rewrite or correct the SONA. Madam Speaker, when a leader spends over 3 hours trying to explain what he has done to his people, that means that leader has done nothing at all. Madam Second Deputy Speaker, I remember the words of a great man who had nothing much to say, but what he said, let the works of my hands prove for me, speak for me. That was late Bingu Mutharika, may his soul rest in peace. Madam Second Deputy Speaker, Section 108 of the Constitution of Malawi mandates public officers, including the President, to uphold the truth and act in good faith. Section 122 of the Penal Code, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, criminalizes the act of providing false information.
Order, honorable members, order.
oath.
No, he's not reading. He's referring to his notes. No.
Madam Second
That's
Deputy
just
Speaker.
a reference. That's just a reference to his notes. He's referring to his notes, not Gweringa, please. Order.
Madam Second Deputy Speaker, they are taking my time. I hope you'll consider that. Section 122 of the Constitution of the Republic of Malawi, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, criminalizes the act of providing false information while under oath. Madam Second Deputy Speaker, this carries legal implications, particularly when it misleads the nation. Section 19 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, UDHR.
Honorable.
But I stand here as a leader, and we have to respect the standing orders. Secondly, when the president comes here, talks about development, if you have an issue, just talk about that issue. Because as I stand here, he's one of the members of parliament that has spent 245 million kwacha from this government to develop his constituency. 245 million kwacha from this government. Now, when he comes here and say the president has done nothing, he's lying. Yet he has filled forms and he has gotten 245 million kwacha up to now. Now, this issue of standing here and trying to lie to Malawians will not be accepted. And some of you, because at the end of the day, these things will follow you up. And I want to agree with my brother there. There must be audits. Because if indeed, Second Deputy Speaker, if indeed there's nothing that has happened, he must stand here and say the local government minister is lying as well, as he says. He has spent 245 million kwacha in his constituency, including renovating toilets in his constituency. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I want to ask the Honorable Leader. Honorable Leader, if you want to clarify a point, I think it's better to come after. But then it was so many minutes. A point of order, we know it's only 1 minute. I can give you 2 minutes, but it was just too much. Anyway, honorable members, even me, I cannot say that the president has done nothing. No, we can't say the president has done nothing. It is possible that he has not done enough, but not nothing. Thank you. Blantyre City South, continue.
Thank you, Second Deputy Speaker. Madam, as I did with the first point of order, Madam, I will not comment on this one as well. Let Malawians be the judges. But as I was saying, Madam Second Deputy Speaker,
what is your problem, Honorable? What is it? What is it? So you are unable to use the gadgets. Honorable member, I cannot give you a point of order. No, we gave him 2 points of orders, so we cannot continue. If you want, you will come after him. No. I can't even hear what you are saying. You better just resume your seat, Honorable. Honorable member, that will not be possible. Order in the house.
Madam Second Deputy Speaker, can I proceed? Okay.
Honorable members, order. Blantyre City South, please proceed.
Madam Second Deputy Speaker, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, as I was saying, that the SONA was full of untrue and was not faithful and unjust to Malawians. Therefore, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, we have lost all the trust that we had in the President and his office, and he has committed a very serious breach of the Constitution and the oath that he swore to protect. We, the people of Blantyre City Southeast, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, are demanding that the SONA be scrapped off from the Hansard and that the President should tender his resignation immediately. Failing which, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, this House should move to impeach the President who came to give this House and true stories. This is a very honorable house. Thank you so much, Madam Second Deputy Speaker. I submit.
Honorable members, honorable member for Salima, I don't know the constituency. Honorable member, this is your 60th year in this house. At least you should know that a person cannot be stopped thrice. Twice is enough, not thrice. So don't stand here and shout for a point of order. After all, you have to use the gadgets. No, your threats will not hold water, honorable. Honorable leader.
Right, Honorable Second Deputy Speaker. I know about the right to speak in Parliament, but when we cross a red line of this nature, then we turn things worse. So if you want us to cross the red line at that level, we are ready for that game. We are ready for that game, we can cross the line. And I'm speaking as a right. I sat down when I was speaking. I'm not threatening anyone, but don't try to cross that red line. Muzane kumeneko, kumene mumagambirana chibwana januzo muno mwai. Muzane and try it.
Honorable member, go back to your seats. Go back to your seats. Honorable member, go back to your seats. In the house. Everyone should go back to your seats. Go back to your seats. Go back to your seats. Order, go back to your seats.